welcome back to Hevsel Press, your source of information. My name is Jiyan, and today we are taking a deeper look at Hurricane Melissa, how it formed, its origins along the coast of Africa, and the destructive path it took through the Caribbean. Without further ado, let's get started. Hurricane Melissa originally started as just another tropical wave from the African coast. Yet it quickly evolved into the third most powerful hurricane ever recorded in the Atlantic. Melissa's origins trace back to what meteorologists called an African easterly wave, which was a common starting point for many Atlantic hurricanes. This seemingly unimportant wave moved west through the ocean and the Windward Islands. By October 21, it was classified as a tropical storm. At the beginning, however, due to weak current, it remained as a moderate disturbance. All of this changed, however, as the storm entered the Caribbean Sea, which had unusually warm waters for October. This acted as a fuel for the initial expansion of the hurricane. Within 2 days, Melissa transformed from a Category 1 hurricane to a Category 5, with sustained wind speeds reaching up to 185 miles per hour with record low pressures. On October 28, Melissa made landfall near New Hope, Westmoreland Parish in Jamaica. The hurricane struck the countryside, tore roofs of homes, uprooted trees, and flooded entire communities for days. Parishes like Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth were hit particularly hard, with some towns completely submerged. Melissa continued northeast as it passed by the Bahamas, impacting several islands. It later approached Bermuda as Category 2 hurricane before slowly disappearing over the North Atlantic. As it passed by, the hurricane left behind widespread destruction. In Jamaica, at least 48 people lost their lives and thousands of homes and businesses were damaged or destroyed, as tens of thousands of people have been displaced. Beyond its immediate destruction, Melissa has also become a case study for the effects of climate change on tropical cyclones. As we mentioned before, researchers found that the waters Melissa traveled through were 2 to 3 degrees warmer than norm for October, a factor that dramatically increased the storm's intensity and destructiveness. It's estimated that these warmer conditions made the rapid intensification hundreds of times more likely and increased the Melissa's top wind speeds by around 10 miles per hour, increasing the potential damage by as much as 50%. The hurricane's path also highlights how the smallest variations can shape a storm's behavior. What began as a weak tropical system quickly turned into a catastrophe within just a few days. A rise of 2 to 3 degrees in seasonal temperatures was enough to supercharge Melissa into something we could have never anticipated, showing just how vulnerable we are to storms on a rapidly warming planet. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to see you in our future uploads. Until then, it was Hevsel Press.